What a way to start a brand new week. You have your screens all blinking green this time around. You have the broader markets, the benchmark indices, all surging in trade today. And I'll take you through the stocks that are actually moving in trade. So, first up is PVR as well as Inox Leisure. Both the cinema chains are surging in trade today as West Bengal has allowed cinema halls to operate with restrictions from October 1st. So both these counters are surging with the hopes the other states will also go ahead and follow the suit. So PVR is surging most in over 16 weeks. It was up about 12% intraday. Meanwhile, Inox Leisure is up over 6% in trade today. Both these counters are seeing second day of gains. West Bengal Chief Minister has allowed plays, cinema halls, also musicals, dance, recitals, all of them to operate from October 1st, but with a restriction, that is, they will be allowed to have 50 participants or less, and also it needs to be in line with your COVID-19 protocols. Also, ONGC, Oil India, HOAC, these all three counters are buzzing in trade today based on a single piece of news, and reports are suggesting that the Indian government is planning to fix a floor price for domestic natural gas output to protect the domestic companies from a drastic reduction in the prices. Based on this news, you have ONGC that is up over 5.5%, most in about 19 weeks. You have Oil India that's gaining about 3% in trade. You have HOEC, that is Hindustan Oil Exploration Company, that is up about 4% and is up for a second straight session. Moving on, you have Jubilant FoodWorks. That particular counter is surging in trade today. It's up over 4% in trade as Jefferies has initiated a coverage with a buy rating on the stock. They've also placed a target of around 2,650 rupees per share. Jefferies is saying that the increased customer focus on hygiene as well as quality augurs well for branded plays like Jubilant FoodWorks. They are also saying that a series of initiatives are being taken by the company, that is in order to drive their growth, to also reduce, to optimize costs and also gain a market share, and this all will augur well for the company going ahead, and they are saying that this will reflect in a 25% upward EPS CAGR over FY20 and 23 for Jubilant FoodWorks, and that's why they are saying that Jubilant FoodWorks is a strong recovery play. So Jubilant FoodWorks is surging on back of this bullish note coming in from Jefferies. Up 4% is what today you are seeing Jubilant FoodWorks post. Indico Remedies is up over 4% in trade today. They've launched antiviral drug Fevindo 400 mg in India. They're saying the drug has been approved by DCGI in the treatment of COVID-19. So these are the counters that are actually buzzing in trade today.